Welcome back to the IELTS Secrets podcast. Today, we're delving into the topic of school days, a nostalgic journey for many of us. Let's explore 4 questions related to this topic and strategies for crafting your responses effectively. Question 1. What were the good parts and the bad parts about your school days? When addressing this question, it's essential to provide balanced responses, highlighting both positive and negative aspects. Here is a speaking template to guide your answer. The positive parts about my school days were, while the negative parts were. Now let's listen to a Band 9 response where the speaker will use the same template when answering the same question.
What were the good parts and the bad parts about your school days?
The positive parts about my school days were the friendships I made and the enjoyable extracurricular activities I participated in. However, the negative parts included the stress of exams and the pressure to perform academically.
Now let's analyze question 2. What was your favorite subject at school? Why? Expressing your preference for a particular subject requires you to articulate your reasons clearly. Here is a speaking template. My favorite subject at school was because. Now, let's listen to a Band 9 response where the speaker will use the same template when answering the same question.
What was your favorite subject at school?
My favorite subject at school was English because I have always loved reading and analyzing literature. I found it fascinating to explore different topics and perspectives through literature.
Now let's analyze question 3. How did your school teach sports? This question focuses on your school's approach to physical education. Here is a speaking template to guide your response. My school taught sports by. Now, let's listen to a Band 9 response where the speaker will use the same template when answering the same question.
How did your school teach sports?
My school incorporated sports into the curriculum by offering a variety of activities, including traditional team sports like football and basketball, as well as individual sports like swimming and athletics. We had regular PE classes where we received instruction from qualified coaches.
Now let's analyze question 4. How would you improve the school that you went to? Here is a speaking template. I would improve the school that I went to by. Now, let's listen to a Band 9 response where the speaker will use the same template when answering the same question.
How would you improve the school that you went to?
I would improve the school I attended by introducing more extracurricular clubs and activities to cater for the diverse interests of students. Additionally, implementing mindfulness and stress management programs would support student physical and mental well-being.
Dear IELTS candidates, practice using these templates to structure your responses effectively. After recording your answers, please submit them to our website for evaluation by experienced IELTS instructors. They will provide valuable feedback and professional advice to help you improve your speaking score. Thanks for tuning in to the IELTS Secrets podcast.